friends, welcome back to Code Soul. So in this video we are going to discuss about if else statement, and after this video I will be putting another part after this video, and today only that will be of our first software making a calculator. So let's start. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel. And today I have been connected to Wi-Fi because some ads come in between, so because of that I am not connecting. Okay, let's start. First, you know what is if? If and else statement. If means the user print anything once. Let me take to you the board. Okay. Yes. Now we have came to the board, and now let's see. See, like you know what is if and else. I will be telling you about if and else. If is means if I am going to, like, you can understand that if I am going to wake up tomorrow at 4 a.m. If I am going to wake up tomorrow at 4 a.m., then what I will be doing? Then I will be doing some brush work, blah, blah, blah. So this is if. This is a condition statement. If is a condition statement. Else means if I don't get up at 4 a.m., then else will be coming up. You can understood if or else. This is a simple condition statement. Now when I will be using, then you will be getting. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, so see, like I am taking, see, like I am taking print, like wait, yes, yes, like we can take an input like name equal. Now I am taking input as what I am taking input, that enter your name. Okay, enter your name. Now I will be giving a condition that if name, because the name is equal, if the name will be equal code soul, and that will be also in code sol without spaces in code soul, like this, then sorry, we have to put this also. Then we will be printing print welcome, to code soul. Welcome code soul. Okay, I'm going to do welcome code soul. Okay. Okay, so let's see. See, enter your name, code sol without spaces. Welcome code soul. Now, if I print anything else, see, I'm going to show you that also. Like NIT, error, nothing will be showing. Only a name will be coming. So this is an if statement. Now else. Now see else. Else. Else will be printing, else that will be print enter a proper value or proper name. Okay, now you can see. Now is the attempt of NIT, enter a proper value. Now code soul, welcome to code soul. This is if else statement. Now you can understand that if else statement is how. Now one more thing I am going to show you in if else statement, that we can print some options by print. Like I will be printing one dot. I will be printing one dot hello. Okay, print two dot how. Okay, these two I put. Now I will be putting choose is equal. Now we will be choosing. Okay, because now he will be choosing what he have to take, first or second. We can ask choose first or second. Now the input will be what, like enter the value, then 1/2. Okay, 1/2. Now if choose, if choose equal 1, because if he will be choosing one digit, then sorry, let me put single comma. Now yes, then we will be printing. Now we will be printing hello. And if again I will be putting if we can put if else, so I am putting now else because I have two statements only, and else, so I have put bracket else choose equal to to and if and when elif statement is to come, that I forgot to tell you, elif statement is that if this not then this, let me write elif only, elif elif to then print how how, okay. Now in for there, now else, now the else will be choose is equal 3, then print I'll be printing not a proper proper value, okay. Let's see now the code. What error is what is the error in this 14 line? Else, okay. Let me do else is else print if this and this not, then print choose a proper proper value. Yes, now let's see n90, okay. Enter a proper value, that was now 1 or 2, let's choose 1, 2, 1. I choose 1, then hello. So this is some like program, these are the option program. Then in these programs we can build another programs like plus, minus, addition, and we can perform anything. So now in the second part of this video we are going to do, let me see for minutes 7 minutes, okay. Enough. In the next part I am going to tell you about how we will be building a software. I will be not explaining anything, we will be building a software because I have told you everything, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, everything. Now in the next software we are going to build a calculator. So thank you for watching, and be on CodeSoul and like, share and subscribe CodeSoul. As you like on CodeSoul, you will be getting a membership in the, I think so, 20th video. When we are 20th video will be coming, I 28 nearby 20th video will be coming. So application form will be filled by everyone, and they will be getting, when we will be getting some subscribers, and I will be having many more things. So please like, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. So thank you.